Welcome to the enchanting land of Malaysia, where breathtaking natural wonders and rich cultural heritage intertwine. Join us on a journey through lush rainforests, pristine islands, and ancient landmarks that tell the story of this magnificent country.
Our adventure begins in the heart of Malaysian rainforest, where abundant life thrives. These lush jungles serve as a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth.
Within the dense foliage, you'll encounter fascinating creatures like the gentle orangutans, soaring hornbills, and elusive tigers. These incredible beings are a testament to Malaysia's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. Venturing beyond the rainforest, we dive into crystal clear waters surrounding Malaysia's island. Here, vibrant coral reef teem with life, providing shelter to a kaleidoscope of fish and graceful sea turtles. Malaysia's marine biodiversity is a treasure to behold.
As we explore Malaysia's natural wonders, we cannot overlook its rich cultural heritage. From ancient temples to magnificent mosques, Malaysia's diverse religious sites reflects its multicultural society. Witness the vibrant colors, intricate architecture, and the harmonious coexistence of different faiths.
Throughout the year, Malaysia comes alive with festivities that celebrate its cultural tapestry. From the dazzling lights of Diwali and the vibrant lanterns of the Mid-Autumn Festival to the exhilarating beats of traditional dances, these joyous occasions unite people and showcase Malaysia's unity in diversity.
A testament to its historical significance, Malaysia is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites. In Georgetown and Malacca, time stands still as architectural wonders from colonial times blend with local traditions. Meanwhile, Kinabalu Park proudly showcases Malaysia's natural beauty and biodiversity.
Malaysia's commitment to preserving its natural and cultural heritage is evident through its conservation efforts. Reforestation projects, wildlife rehabilitation centers, and community initiatives are just a few examples of Malaysia's dedication to sustainable practice that ensure these treasures are safeguarded for future generations. As we conclude our journey through Malaysia's nature and heritage, we are left in awe of the country's sheer beauty and cultural diversity. From the untamed rainforest to the vibrant festivals and historical landmarks, Malaysia invites you to explore its tapestry of wonders and create a lifelong memories. And experience the magic of Malaysia, where nature and heritage unite in breathtaking harmony.